ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു അവർ ചാനൽ. എട്ടാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ ബയോളജി വർക്ക്ഷീറ്റ് പാർട്ട് 3 ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. യൂണിറ്റ് 3, ലെറ്റ്സ് റിഗെയിൻ അവർ ഫീൽഡ്സ്. ആക്ടിവിറ്റി 1. Given below and answer the questions. Natural fertility of the soil can be maintained by the scientific application of fertilizers. Microbial fertilizers are substances that contain microorganisms which helps to increase the fertility of soil. Rhizobium, Acetobacter, Aspergillum, SLO, etc. are examples of microbial fertilizers. Addition of microbial fertilizers along with biofertilizers increase quantity of elements essential for the growth of plants. Microorganisms can exist in soil only if we take the precautions such as ensuring the availability of biofertilizers in the soil, providing proper irrigation, avoiding the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, etc. Unscientific application of chemical fertilizers will adversely affect the structure of soil and also the microorganisms in the soil. In addition to this, it causes serious health and financial issues. Answer the questions by observing the following illustration. A. Fertilizers. B. Elements essential for plant growth. What is the general name given to microorganisms that are added to the soil to form B from A? Give examples to these microorganisms. What are the precautions that has to be taken while using these microorganisms? 1. Microbial fertilizers. 2. Rhizobium, Acetobacter, Aspergillum. 3. Ensure the availability of biofertilizers in the soil. Proper irrigation should be provided. Chemical fertilizers or chemical pesticides should not be used. Activity 2. Analyze the reading card and answer the questions given below. As the pests acquire resistance against chemical pesticides, the quantity of chemical pesticides has to be increased. Excessive application of chemical pesticides cause many environmental and health issues. Adopting integrated pest management methods help to control pests without disturbing the environmental and health. The basic principle of integrated pest management is not the destruction of pests totally. Instead, it tries to prevent the multiplication of pests and limit their number without loss of crop. This is done by using biopesticides, natural enemies of the pests, mechanical pest control methods, etc. Here the use of chemical pesticides has been minimized. നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. എ കോൺവെർസേഷൻ ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ടു ഫാമേഴ്സ് ഈസ് ഗിവൻ ബിലോ. അനലൈസ് ഇറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ആൻസർ ദി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. ഫാർമർ 1. I use chemical pesticides for pest control. Farmer 2. I depends natural enemies of pests inside. 1. Among them, whose pest control method is suitable to the environment? Why? 2. What are the problems created by the pest control method of the other farmer? 1. Among these two farmers, farmer 2 uses the pest control method suitable to the environment because he uses integrated pest management system. 2. He uses chemical pesticides. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers cause many environment and health issues. Activity 9. Analyze the description given below and answer the questions. Although there are many high-yielding hybrid varieties, the indigenous varieties that have low cost of management, diversity in taste and nutrients, adapted to the climate, soil texture of that place, etc., have high disease resistance. Extinction of indigenous varieties causes depletion of our biodiversity. We can develop improved varieties only from these indigenous varieties. Moovandan mango tree, Palayam cotton, plantain, Pechur cow, Malabari goat, etc. are the examples of native varieties. Moovandan, Kilichundan, Kasargod Kullan, Palayam cotton, Attapadi black. A. What is the common feature of the organisms given in the box? B. Do these varieties need to be preserved by? A. These are all indigenous varieties. Their specialty is that they have low cost of management, diversity in taste and nutrients, adapted to climate, have high disease resistance. B. Yes, their varieties need to be preserved because their extinction causes depletion of our biodiversity and we can develop improved varieties only from the indigenous varieties. ഇനി അടുത്ത ഭാഗങ്ങളുമായി വരും വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.